Hello there. Today I'm going to make some high energy, no bake protein bites. It's going to be a nice little snack using only a few ingredients. Very easy to make. Let me show you how to do it. I'm going to start with oatmeal. And I'm just going to measure 1.5 cups of oatmeal. I'm using quick oats here because we're not baking it or cooking it, so I don't want to have it be too harsh. So these are quick oats, 1.5 cups. Then I'm going to measure 1 cup of sunflower butter. You can use almond butter or peanut butter or whatever you like. I'm using sunflower today. It's made from sunflower seeds and it's kind of chunky. So here I'm going to measure 1 cup. This particular butter is the type that has the oil on the top and you have to mix it in. So I kind of mixed it up first to get a nice chunky sun butter. Alright, let's pour that in. I'm using one of my measuring cups that nicely cleans out the sides. Really convenient. Pampered chef. Alright. Next I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of pure maple syrup and just a little bit for flavor here. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons. And since it's pure maple syrup, it really has a lot of intense flavor compared to like a pancake syrup or something like that. Alright, the next ingredient is kind of an add-in. I'm using Cacao Nibs. These are raw. And you can use nuts, you can use raisins or cranberries that are dried. But I'm going to use 1/4 cup of raw Cacao Nibs. Alright, then I'm going to take this mixture and stir it around. Get it to be all well mixed, and we're going to make some balls. Now this is the kind of snack I keep it in the refrigerator when we have it, so it's nice and firm. So we're going to make the balls and we're going to refrigerate them before we eat them. Just makes it a little bit nicer to handle them. Now it's not a real big batch, but when you sit down and have some of these for a snack, you just really want a couple of the smaller size balls to eat for a snack at one time. You can see the protein as I stir it in the bowl, right? Think of all the other things you can add here. Chocolate chips or some kind of your favorite nut chopped up. If you use, let's say, cashew butter, you might want to add cashews. Or if you use almond butter, you might want to add almonds. Okay, now you can see the texture here is pretty firm. So I'm just going to take a little container. I'm going to use an ice cream scoop to get the balls to be all the consistent size of a small ice cream scoop. Something like that. You're going to place them in the container so we can refrigerate them for a little bit. You can also make these and freeze them ahead. Oatmeal always makes a nice cookie or snack, cookie bar, all those kind of things are nicely made from oatmeal. And the best part here, you don't even have to bake this. Right? Okay, now I have used all of the mixture to make these balls. Bite-sized balls, you might want to eat 2 or 3 at a serving. So what I'm going to do now is put this in the refrigerator, make them nice and firm. But this is a snack that you could eat right now if you wanted to. It doesn't have to be baked. All right, I'm going to stick it in the fridge. I'll be back in about 2 hours, and I'll show you. Okay, they're nicely chilled. So let's take a couple and have a snack on this plate. I think 3 is a nice snack. Depends how big you make your balls when you roll them up. But here we go. This is a nice, no bake, high protein, high energy, healthy snack. Let's try one. You can see they're nice and firm now, so they're not going to fall apart. Very tasty. Okay, give that recipe a try. Those Cacao Nibs, they add a nice crunch in there. I think you'll enjoy it. Thanks for watching.